Good morning, and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and it's Science Saturday. We're going to talk about paleosols. So, paleosols. Paleosol literally means ancient soil, and in geology and paleontology, a paleosol is a former soil preserved by burial under alluvium, loess, or volcanic deposits. So, just like any other fossil, buried quickly. Paleosols are frequently used to help determine the climate from when they were deposited. These photos illustrate a paleovertisol, which is a swelling clay soil in the Yellow Cap member of the Cedar Mountain Formation. Now, often when we hear swelling clays, we think the Morrison Formation, and it's true, most of the paleosols in the Morrison are swelling clays, and the Morrison is primarily made up of that in the Brushy Basin member. But there are a couple in Cedar Mountain as well, not very many, but they do exist. We have a little one here. So these paleosols, these swelling clays, basically are telling us that there was a little bit of active volcanism happening when this soil was deposited. Paleosols can also be used to reconstruct paleoatmospheres. Oxidized paleosols, like the red clay in this photograph, could indicate a rise in atmospheric oxygen. And paleosols often contain fossilized pollen, which tells us a lot about ancient ecosystems. So we would know whether we had, a nice wet ecosystem or a dry ecosystem, and what kinds of plants could have survived there, and what animals probably were eating, that kind of stuff. So paleosols are super informative. I mean, who knew that a bunch of old dirt could tell us so much? I hope you guys learned a little bit about paleosols from a geologic and paleontologic standpoint. It is a little different in soil science, but I can't tell you anything about that because I don't study soils. So, anyway, hope you learned a little bit, and I will fossilize you later.